This is a little bit of a different video. I'm going to give you exactly what you think you don't want but need. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here with a disclaimer. A lot of people don't like disclaimers. I do, because guess what? Life is risky. Stock trading is risky. Living is risky. Penny stocks are risky. Short selling is risky. Day trading is risky. Every single thing that I do and specialize in is risky. And you need to be aware of that, because I don't want people who are like, oh, I didn't know about the risks before I got in. You can lose all your money with penny stocks. You can go into debt. Actually, did you know this? If you actually short sell, which a lot of penny stock traders love to do, you can actually lose more than you have. And if you have no knowledge and preparation and you learn from some of these fucking newbies who are teaching, you probably will lose everything, if not more than everything. And then you might write some introspective bullshit on Twitter saying, oh, I wish I would have known. Well, here is your warning, okay? I don't want you to go down that route. I don't want you losing everything. So knowledge and preparation is key. This is why I have so many video lessons and DVDs and watch lists and commentary and trade alerts and blog posts and software. Everything to do to up your odds of success. What are your exact odds of success in this game? Well, we don't know exactly who's winning and who's losing, but a few academic studies have been conducted, and they say 90 to 95% of traders lose. Did you know that? Probably not. When you look at these E-Trade commercials on TV and you have a little baby, look how easy it is, the little E-Trade baby. If that was an accurate rendering of what stock trading is like, the baby would be dead. He would be mutilated. It would be such a disgusting thing they wouldn't even be able to show it on TV. E-Trade wouldn't make a commercial with a real baby. So instead they have this nice little computer-generated happy baby. Are you going to be a happy baby if 90% you lose? No, you'd be a very angry baby. You'd be a dead baby. And that's the risk without education. If you just pick random stocks, if you invest in random mutual funds, nothing is as easy as most people think. Yes, I do have a few millionaire students. Yes, I'm having more and more six-figure students. I have 4 new six-figure students in the past 2 weeks, which is awesome. How did they get there? Did money just come to them? Did it just fall out of the sky and they had their hands up and they caught it and put 6 figures in their pocket? No, they studied their motherfucking asses off. 5, 10, 15, 20 hours a day. Not just 1 day, 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, but for weeks, for months on end. My top student, Tim Sykes, has now made over $7 million. How much did he make his first year? Nothing. Nothing! He made nothing for his first 9 months and very little the last 3 months of his first year. He started with $1,500 of his own money. He lost that $1,500. He blew up. He had to put in another $1,500. So I want you to have the proper perspective, okay? A lot of you guys think money is all this is going to come to you so easily. No, it's not. You're seeing my life after 2 decades in this game, okay? Stock trading for 20 years now, teaching for 10 years. All of this stuff now adds up, and this is frankly the life that I'm proud to live, the life that I'm proud to show you. I am by no means a financial professional, okay? Look at my hat, I wear it backwards. I can wear a hat, I'm not even wearing a fucking suit. I'm not on CNBC because I'm banned from CNBC because I brought female models on to hold up stock charts, which turned out to be the most critically reviewed in a negative fashion episode or segment by their female audience. I'm sorry, I was just trying to liven things up. Finance is fucking boring. TV is fucking boring. I was trying something new. A lot of people did like it, but some people were offended. If you stick around with me long enough, I make a lot of bad jokes. This is my disclaimer. You will be offended by something I say. Do I mean it? Am I really a mean person? No. I'm trying to make education fun. I'm talking all the time about fucking rules and discipline and how you need all this preparation for the stock market when everybody just wants hot picks and easy money. So I'm fighting the trend of what people want. And to keep them interested, I fucking first have lost my mind. That's a necessity. And that's happened, I don't know whether it was 4 or 5 years ago, somewhere a few years ago. I think you can see a sharp U-turn in my videos and in my teaching where I simply just lost my fucking mind. I'm looking at a laptop all day, I'm typing all day, I'm seeing these fucking green and flickering shit, like I lost my mind. Disclaimer right there, you are not learning from somebody who is sane. The good news is my insanity actually has increased my productivity. My insanity helps you. Use my insanity. Don't lock me up. Don't lock it up. Unleash the beast. Unleash the freedom. Unleash the knowledge. There is no limits to what I will teach you. I want millionaire students more than anything, and I am willing to do whatever it fucking takes. Tomorrow, for example, I'm giving a 7-hour live webinar for my Trading Challenge students. Click the link just below this video if you want to apply for my Trading Challenge. Disclaimer, not everybody is accepted. Disclaimer, most people are rejected because they just want hot stock picks. They're not going to be dedicated. They're not taking it seriously enough. This is why I have a whole team who interviews potential challenge applicants. A lot of people message me, they're offended. They say, Tim, I want to be your next millionaire student, but you wouldn't let me in. Go fuck yourselves. You had the wrong attitude. You didn't follow simple homework. The cool thing about being real in this industry is I know who's going to be a good student. Remember, I have several millionaire students already. I know exactly the steps required. I know exactly the mindset that you should have. I know exactly what I need from you out of being a student. And too many people don't have it, so you're not even worth my time. You claim you want to be rich, but you're not willing to spend hours. You're not willing to invest any money in software like this. You have the wrong mindset. You don't value education properly. And I don't want to deal with your shit, okay? You couldn't pay me enough to deal with some of your guys' issues. Go hire a fucking therapist or psychologist, because you need one, and that's not my job, unfortunately. Disclaimer, I am not a medical professional, so I can't help you with your own fucked up issues. All I am qualified to do is teach you how to get motherfucking rich, because that's exactly what I've done. And I know the ins and the outs. I've lost big, I've won big, I've seen students come and go. I know exactly what it takes. You're finding me at a very good time. But you need to understand the risks. You need to understand what I'm capable of and what I'm not capable of. Disclaimer, I have no patience whatsoever for fucking laziness. Disclaimer, I have no patience whatsoever for incompetence. So if you're lazy, if you're incompetent, if you're easily offended, get the fuck off my page, because we're not going to get along. If you don't give a shit about any of that stuff and you just want to learn, if you want to see my strategy that has now worked for 20 motherfucking years and created several millionaire students along the way, several six-figure students along the way, several students who might not even have a lot of money because they start with an average of $1,000 or $2,000, but they're still learning, then learn from me. Then click the link just below. Apply for my challenge, talk with my team, be fucking nice, be fucking disciplined, pay attention to my instructions, okay? I don't have tolerance for people who I give instructions to and they say, but, no buts. People say, Tim, I know you like penny stocks, but what do you think about this? No. I trade penny stocks. I know penny stocks. Most penny stocks are scams. So if you get caught up in one of these scams and you fall in love with the technology or the management, I'm going to say, fuck you. You're full of shit. You're just a dumb newbie. You don't know any better. It's not your fault. It's your mom's fault. It's your dad's fault. It's your previous teacher's fault. Don't lay that shit on me. I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to keep you down like they have all your life. These are some disclaimers. Now you see a little bit of my teaching style. It's not the norm. I understand that. People say, Tim, be nicer, be less weird. You'll have more students. I don't want more students. I want more dedicated students who understand what the fuck I'm talking about. I hope that this video weeds out a whole bunch of lazy people and you go console yourselves and you watch Netflix and play fucking Fortnite and smoke your fucking marijuana. Get the fuck off my page unless you are serious about your education. This is my sole purpose in teaching. And Karmagawa is my sole charity. I'm not just teaching, I'm also building schools. As of this moment, we have 50 schools built. So unless you're gonna help me build more schools with my charity, or if you're gonna be a dedicated student, don't fucking waste my time, because I have very little time left to myself. Like I said, I have no sanity left either. So we're not gonna have a good conversation. I'm not looking for new friends. I have no time for my existing friends. My existing friends think I'm the biggest dick. I miss birthday parties. baby showers, all kinds of family events. My family thinks I'm a dick, except I bought them their own nice place down in Miami Beach, so fuck them. I can do whatever I want by being real. And I'm gonna be real with you because I want you to be successful. And this is how this relationship is gonna work. So, enter your name and info underneath this video only if you are serious. Only if I have not scared you off with my insanity. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.